Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G31 and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's stay here and move a little bit up to the button above the shutter, so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage with aspect ratio at the 4th place. By using this panel we can manage it. We are in 3 and 4. Let's move to 9 and 16, and now the background has changed to the longer one. Another tap here and we can move also to full one, so for now we have full camera frame, full aspect ratio, and of course you can stay here on whatever you need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4 original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.